Hi, this is Marty from the Doherty Garden. Today's little plant are two little cuttings. Little pups actually. My little grandson took the century plant. I guess it's called the Agave because it had little white edges. Got it from the Roots Tropical Garden last year. Well, anyway, he looks for a plant to take home so he can plant in his little garden back in the house, at his house. And this time I gave him, he thought it was cute, so he took it. And I says, wait a second, Lo, let me see, I think there's a few pups in there. Let me get a few pups, and this way you can take the mother plants and take it home, and I'll just play around with the little pups here. And these are the little pups. There was two of them here, and I was just set for a few minutes to take the weeds out. And it was like 20 or 30 little weeds in this little cup. That's how many weeds were actually growing in there. So I said, let me just throw the dirt out completely, pull the plants. I took the old leaves off, and as I was had them laying there, I took a look at them. I said, gee, they are already starting, had about a half inch to an inch of a new root system on both of these. So it's well on its way to growing in the Doherty Garden. So that's the agave plant with the white edges you can see in the leaf structure here. I think they're called century plant for some reason, but I'll look it up here. But I'll make a posting on it later on today. Like I said, I'm trying to do this and see if I can get a little hearsay on my voice, and the AC is off at the moment. So thank you. Stop. Please say if you like the video, if you have any questions about the plant, inquiries, we're all ears here, and we'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much. And for all of those that make comments, I appreciate that, and let's talk. Take care. Bye-bye. Like the video. Bye-bye.